And didn't answer, so sorry about that. So that was good. Here we go. Maybe I'm just gonna FaceTime, maybe another time. So sorry about that, guys. So that was good. Alright, guys. So that was good for now, guys. So yeah, here we go. Alright. Oh, I know. Want to show you the very funniest from the funniest video. So yes, here we go. Alright, we're gonna watch the very funniest video, guys. See, here we go. Alright, so yeah, so here we go. Alright. Alright, guys, so let's watch the very funniest. This one, the movie scene is called the Big Lebowski. No, it's very funny, guys. So here we go. Alright, we're gonna watch the very funniest one, the scene. Alright, guys, so ready for this? So let's watch. Let's watch the very funniest video, guys. Here we go. Alright, guys, ready to laugh? So here we go.
Where's the money, Lebowski? You want that money, Lebowski? Bonnie says you're good for it. Where's the money, Lebowski? Where's the money, Lebowski? Where's the fucking money, shithead?
It's down there somewhere. Let me take another look.
Fuck with us. Your wife owes money to Jackie Treehorn. That means you owe money to Jackie Treehorn. Ever thus the deadbeats, Lebowski.
No, don't do this. Not on the rug, man.
See what happens, Lebowski? You see what happens?
Nobody calls me Lebowski. You got the wrong guy. I'm the dude, man.
Your name's Lebowski, Lebowski. Your wife is Bunny.
My wife, Bunny? Do you see a wedding ring on my finger? Does this place look like I'm fucking married? The toilet seat's up, man.
What the fuck is this?
Obviously, you're not a golfer.
Well, yeah. Isn't this guy supposed to be a millionaire? Fuck. Yeah, what do you think? He looks like a fucking loser.
Hey, at least I'm housebroken.
Fucking time waster. Thanks a lot, asshole.
And that was the very funniest. Alright, so that was good. Here we go. Alright, so that was that was some freaking funniest. And that should be good. And alright, very funny, guys. Here we go. Alright, just hold on for a minute. I'm just going to text my friend. No, that's so good. So yeah, here we go. Alright. Alright, so I'm just gonna text my friend, so just hold on. So here we go. Alright, so I just text my friend, alright, so yeah, so here we go. Alright. So here we go. Alright. Alright, so that should be good, guys. So yeah, here we go. Alright, so sorry about that. I just texted my friend, know it for that, so it should be coming to Delaware, know it. So yeah, here we go. Maybe should be a brand new text, know it. So that was good, here we go. Alright guys, so that's good for now guys, so yeah, here we go. So I didn't FaceTime my friend, so that's okay guys, here we go. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna end this video, so hopefully a link to the description on my YouTube channel for now guys, get here we go. Alright guys, so thank you guys for playing this game, and I will see you later for the next video. So have a good day guys, and bye guys, so here we go.